Yeah, I'm finna drive his car. 07 328i.
Oh, you know how to drive?
I drive a stick. My car's a stick.
Oh.
Yeah. BMW. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna switch to the GoPro right here. Yeah. You got that convertible, that blue. What you call it? Blue Angel? This is like a baby blue. But yeah, I'm finna switch to the GoPro.
Why you didn't say nothing earlier?
Okay, now it's recording. Alright. Bet. PB, you ready?
Oh, of course.
Let me make sure the seat. Yeah, let me look the seat up. Fancy ass shit. Steering wheel down a little bit. Is this look? Yeah. That's right. Damn. God damn. Make sure I'm. Damn. Stay close.
You can roll up the seat for anything.
Damn, people, you just be chilling in this house.
Oh yeah, sometimes I'll be riding with it all the way back.
Damn. Make sure that's first gear and not goddamn. Oh shit, it feels weird.
I hate driving the car in slides, but I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's like the slot is touching the damn floorboard. It feels different. Like it's like look, it feels weird. God damn.
That shit real cold, cause this is my first time taking it out all day.
Jeez.
Give it a little gas, a little push.
Let me get around these bumps for these fat ass humps.
Oh, I be sliding the shit out these
Boy, I don't wanna bust your shit. My shit, that last bump when you go out that gate, boy be. I wish the steering wheel can go a little lower. I feel like this shit high, but that's the lowest it can go. Feel a little different. Your clutch is not heavy, but I like the stiffness of it better than my shit. My shit is like easy as fuck. Yeah, this is Pee Wee, the guy that drove my car last time. Friend, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
damn.
was that your rim?
No, that's the bottom of my shit. Normally, what I do, I turn onto the speed bump.
Damn.
So it wouldn't do that.
Your shit sit that low?
Yeah.
Shit. Damn. Okay, let's not.
And then just turn. Like,
turn right?
It don't matter which way, but I turn onto them.
Hey, feel different. I'm like, was that your rim? Jesus.
And then, like, just turn. Yeah.
Let me just go a little slow this time, cause that shit hit hard as fuck. I didn't realize how low I mean, it feel like we sitting low, but all right, let me lift this part back a little bit. I'm like, damn. It felt different when you were in the passenger seat. When you was hitting it around the corner, I was like, God dang. Bro, I know this ain't got no turbo in it.
Nope.
What the?
Everything stopped.
So you gotta kind of like give it more, give it a little gas so that way you can go down again.
Oh, that day that it was snowing, I did a little donut over here.
For real? I don't see a spot. Smell like dookie over here. making it seem like you got gas, so I just wanted to ask you because you the one that was
It
driving.
was close. It was close. The only thing was I wasn't shifting like you was. I was letting my foot off. I'll let my foot off the gas and then I'll put it back on to go. But he'll already be moving still.
Yeah, nah, just keep your foot on that gas and then shift. That's what I do. See you like downshifted, Is this road to the left straight or what?
It's gonna be a little parking lot over there.
Oh. Let me turn around real quick so we can get straight. But no, stop. Yo, your second gear pull harder than
Oh, yeah.
Your second gear pull. It's cool. If we was on the highway, I definitely would push this, but I'd be scared around these curves and shit because I don't want to like break your shit. Second gear, that might be fourth. I'm like, hold on, because I don't feel no power now. Oh shit! I love this. The second gear just be, it might be pushing. And your red line is damn near 7,000. That's crazy as hell. Now I see why you got them on top end. Oh shit! That's how you respond when you took me for a ride, man. Like, goddamn. That whole kick. That my kick. I love it. I like it, man. I like it. That's what's funny.
See, I told you I don't be knowing what the fuck I be doing.
Bro, bro, you wanna get taught, I can teach you. It don't matter, but like, shit.
Dude, that shit felt so good. What the
That's how you should have did, dude. Second gear took off on his ass. Y'all should do like a 20 roll or something. You ever went in reverse by trying to go in first gear?
Nope. My dad made sure I got all that shit down before I got the driver.
It probably got that reverse lockout, so you can't go to reverse while you trying to fucking shift. Like, I fucked with it. Sheesh!
Damn,
Your brother know how to drive stick too or no?
Hell no. Hell no.
Boy, that's how that. Oh!
Hell. Alright, so look, what I do is I'll stop and then I'll just turn onto it.
I think I was going a little too fast when I went on that last boat. That's probably why we beat that shit. I was like, is that your tire? Is that your ring? He's like, no, that's my
That's the bottom of shit.
Cause my car sit low, but it don't sit this low. Your shit sit like a goddamn Corvette. Damn near. Your clutch is really, it's easy. It's hella easy, but it ain't like, it's stiff, but it's like, it's easy
Your
to
shit
like catch.
gives me bad vibes. I ain't gonna lie to you.
What you mean, like
It just, I don't like the way it feels.
it's cause it's like, it's hella, like, what's that bump right? It's cause like, the clutch is really, really light. That's why, cause it's a newer car, so it's easier for people to like, I guess, learn off of. So I like this. We drive the car more often, goddamn. I kinda like it. That dude said, he said my Cadillac. So he got a Cadillac too?
Yeah.
What kind of Cadillac is it?
It's old. It's real old. That's why I was saying he was being disrespectful.
That's funny. I like it.
Here you go.
Thank you. Y'all wasn't bad. I like it. You said you got the. Oh shit. I hate this. I'm racing this dude. We better come on. I don't like racing at night. I mean, I wouldn't mind. It's easier, but like, I'd rather them see the car at night than the daytime. Oh yeah, look at legs. I fuck with them Air Force Ones. It was clean. Who you get them from?
I bought them and then I got them customized from my homeboy.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, look at this BMW mug. Sexy. The convertible, no cap. Yes, sir. We waiting on his homeboy to come so I can race him in my Honda. He said I'm gonna lose y'all, but I'm finna record it. Y'all gonna see it all. Y'all gonna see it all. Finna get gap. Just playing. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Follow me on all my social media. Y'all give me more videos to upload and stuff. Damn, somebody put a scammer on their car. So, bro, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.